Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome all of you to the So Darn Easy Forex movement. I know that a lot of you have been waiting for this video to actually come out. Well, for those of you who are following me on Instagram, I told you guys I was going to be putting out a video of a trade alert that would be taking place. Well, that's happening right now. I had to unload the truck, had groceries to bring in, whatever. So there was a small delay. Nonetheless, if you are here because you're subscribed to my channel, I thank you. If you are here because you are loyal to watching all my videos and you're just used to watching me and you love the content, you love the energy, fantastic. I'm glad that you're here. Now, thank you. If you're brand new to Forex or brand new to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. And I ask you to do one thing. Subscribe to the channel and bookmark the page, all right? You want to make sure that you are staying on top of the material that I put out, and you want to be able to benefit from this wealth of knowledge. All right, it costs you nothing, but you could turn away from, or you can miss the opportunity of learning a wealth of knowledge. Okay, and so that's pretty much where we are. So I'm going to now get into the reason why this video is being made. I found a great opportunity in the market. I thought I would mention it to you guys. I want you all to know that a lot of the pairs that I introduce on YouTube and Instagram, I don't go into great detail because the great detail is for my students. All right, I don't give you guys everything, and it's for a reason, because I have to make sure that my students are receiving value with their purchase of being a student. So I like to just shoot it straight to you guys and not beat around the bush. I don't like doing business like that. Just be straight up and let you guys know there's more value as a student. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys enough to make an educated decision, but it takes you to make that decision and to have a system where you can know what to do. All right, I'm going to give you enough, but I want you guys to take the reins, take it from there. I'm gonna bring you to a certain point, but you have to take it and go for it. Okay? Let's go ahead and go over to the charts and let's look at what we have. All right, this pair is the Euro GBP. All right, EUR GBP, and we have been talking about this pair for a while in our trade alert training sessions, and previously, I had recognized, I guess about 2 weeks ago, that the market had it had touched down back down to here. We had 2 doji at this point, which is a great structure point. If you look back, a great level. All right, great level. So that's why the market actually went up. Okay. At some point, if you see dating back to here, see the date. This was 10/7. The market had actually gone up. I'm sure this is news, and it came back down. All right, and just to give you guys an idea, you're talking 260 plus pips, and it backed down. All right, well, it went up and it backed down 260 some pips. So that was a great point in the market. So as the market ebbed and flowed, it went back down, it came back up, went back down, came back up, came back down, jumped up, and this is where we are now. Now, after looking at the market, originally I only had, my students would tell you, I only had this on in our training yesterday. All right, you see we have tip of the wick, touched here, and then here. At the open yesterday, the market gapped up and it excelled. Okay, it excelled rather. Okay, it ascended, it went higher, it moved up. It's a bullish market. So because this is your descending resistance level, and the market respected it, Okay? It gapped above the level. I would have to believe that this market is going to go up. Okay, it's going to go up. This little hesitation here, there's a reason why I did that. See, I look at everything. The fact that the market came down to here, all right, the market came down to there, and it backed all the way up. Let's just break all this down. Let me just show you guys real quick. I normally don't do this, but let me just show you. This level, the bottom, let's just look left and see. The bottom one, okay, it's a pretty decent level, okay? Let's go back further. The bottom, pretty decent level, okay? Pretty decent level. I mean, we're back over 10, well, just about 10 years ago. So we know that's a good level. The top one, I mean, we know that it's a good level as well. I mean, I don't need to go all the way back 10 years. We know that that's a good level. So the fact that it got hung up there, it confirms that this was the third tap. And the market didn't go back down. However, it broke above it. So naturally, I would have to reckon that this market will ascend. It will continue. Hold on 1 second, you guys. I do apologize. Hey, sis, let me call you back. I'm making a video. Call you back. My apologies, you all. Family out of town, so I have to not be rude. So, nonetheless, the market broke that level. It ascended. With that being said, my expectation, all right, what I expect is that the market will it will continue to go higher. All right. I would have to expect it to continue to go higher. Now, this is where it gets a little funky, because a lot of people do not quite know, people do not know the perfect entry. They don't know nothing about it. They can only speculate, and because of that, I want you guys to let me just explain this. This market is in a continuation. If you miss it, pass up on it. The object of trading is to get in at the best time. We do not know exactly how far above it's going to go. The market could, if all we know, range at this level, and it could break back down. We don't know. It could fall into consolidation, very tight consolidation at this level, and go back down. We do not know. But when you look at the entire market, when you look at the big picture, you start to see what's going on. Okay? You start to see what's going on. So I'm showing you guys this just to give you guys enough. All right? Because I want you all to start thinking outside of the box. Don't stay contained. Think outside of the box. I'm telling you guys this without giving you, full detail on everything. I just want you guys to make sense out of it. If it's something for you, then take advantage of it. If it isn't, don't worry about it. There's going to always be more opportunities. Okay? And that's that. So take advantage of the opportunity if you want. If you do not want to, that's totally fine. I hope that this has helped you guys realize what's going on with this pair. This is the Euro GBP. That being said, you guys, have yourself a fantastic day. If you know anyone who could benefit from this video or any other video that I have on YouTube or anywhere online, share it with them. All right, it costs you nothing. It takes a second of your time, but it can provide, a lifetime of wealth. All right, knowledge is knowledge is power. You just have to apply it for it to be powerful. So just wanted to give you guys this, and hopefully you can make good use out of it. If you are not yet subscribed, please do so, and I appreciate all of you. Have a fantastic day. This is Yusef Scott. Peace.